Hey guys, it's Tech Racer, and today I'm going to see how you can install the OnePlus 7 Pro wallpapers or the live wallpaper on any OnePlus devices. Now this thing particularly works on all the OnePlus devices including 5, 5T, 6 and 6T. Now I don't know about 3 and 3T, so if you guys are using 3T then do let me know in the comment section below. As you can see, this is the OnePlus 7 Pro wallpaper and it's a static wallpaper, and I will also show you the live wallpaper. As you can see, so these are the dynamic wallpapers. As you can see, we have new symbols at the top left corner of the wallpapers, and these are not actually the live wallpapers, but these wallpapers will act as a live wallpaper for a few seconds and then it will change to static wallpaper. As you can see, now we have the moving wallpaper and now it became static. So whenever you unlock the device, it will automatically show you the live wallpaper. As you can see, so it will act for a few seconds and it will go to static state. So there are actually 4 dynamic wallpapers, as you can see, and this one is the default OnePlus 7 Pro wallpaper. As you can see, let me show you, and this one is the wallpaper. So let me lock down the screen and let us unlock the device, and this is the, as you can see, wallpaper, and it works completely fine on the 5 and 5T, and it will also work on 6 and 6T, but for 3 and 3T do let me know in the comment section below. So for getting this wallpaper on your device, you need to simply download the APK, and a link for the APK is given in the description. So you can just simply download the APK, tap on it and click on install, and it will automatically install. You do not need to do anything else rather than installing the app. So simply click on install and it will install the application. And guys, I haven't ported this application, so the link for the XDA Developer thread will be given in the description, so you can go and check it out from there. So once you download and install the APK, simply just install it, and once you install it, simply go to wallpapers and it will automatically show you the wallpapers. As you can see, these are the 4 dynamic wallpapers, and rest we have the static wallpapers, and we also have few wallpapers like this, as you can see. So we can also apply the static wallpapers if we want, so we can just individually apply those to our device as well. So as you can see, this is the static wallpaper, and the dynamic wallpaper do look quite nice, as you can see. So let's apply this one. It looks quite good. So as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied and it looks quite nice whenever you just unlock the device. So let's try to unlock it. So 3, 2, 1. So yeah, it looks quite nice. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.